Alright guys, when you get to this page, I have inserted text boxes for your morning work so that you can just type the answers in. So just click around. It may be being really slow right now. Anyway, there are text boxes. Just type your answers in, and when you are done, I think the easiest way to do it, there are a couple ways. You can take a screenshot, and I'll insert a picture that shows how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook, or you can go to File, make a copy of the selected slide, and then send it to me, whatever you find is easiest for you. Now, when you get to this rhyming word section, you'll need to go up here to the line tool, draw a line to the rhyming words. Got to click it every time. See and me, click it again, hut and cut. I'm going to block this part off, so don't worry about that. So like I said, you have the choice. You can either take a screenshot and send it to me, or just go to File, make a copy, selected slide, and it will save a copy that you can then submit to me either in the comments or in a message, or you can email it, whatever is easiest for you. Thanks.